Bobby from Sahara Waterproofing. The finished epoxy floor. A base coat, a finish coat, and then 2 clear coat sealers on top, as you can see. And then this floor before had a lot of bulging cracks. Basically fill those in with a fiber reinforced cement. And this floor is back to new. And a sump pump that we put in. Lots of water in this room. And then around the heaters in the air conditioner system, we basically put a waterproof 2-coat application on the floor concrete resurface because it has dampness coming up. And if you don't put this waterproof cement on the floor, the epoxy would not adhere to it. It would basically bubble, peel up, and it would fail. So this is it. This is the finished floor that we did. Give you a little quick tutorial here around the whole room. 850 square feet. And also we did the walls with a waterproof paint all the way around, as you can see. This room is basically dust free. When we first started here, it had a lot of dirt and dust in here on the walls. The walls are flaking, the floors, a lot of cracks. We see around the heater that we